When was the first time, Ranveer, you actually saw a clip of that 1983 win? Because you were born in 1985, right? So you were -2 years old when this actually happened.
Yeah.
I was 1 year old when it happened. So obviously none of us saw it happening. When did you see this for the first time, and how did it feel when you were told ye karna hai?
Sir, us having grown up after being born, and we were born into an era where these players, couples, devils, they were already legends. They were already iconic figures, having achieved the greatest glory. We grew up thinking of them as our heroes. But what we didn't know is where they started and how they did what they did. That is the story of the film. That nobody believed in them. They started from the bottom of the bottom, and they went to the top of the pops. And that is an incredible underdog arc, which makes for such a great narrative. I keep telling Kabir, you can't write this. If you sit down to write it, you can't write it. So to know how they did it, and to see their journey from the lowest zero expectations to going on and achieving the greatest glory, becoming world champions. And what it did was change the entire attitude of a nation. So many people come and confide in me that who are older, that we used to think upon ourselves a certain way, and after 83 we thought upon ourselves just as journeymen. After 83 we got the kind of self-belief which made us think that, hey, we are also something. We can do something. We can be the best in the world at something.
A sort of a turning point.
It changed the spirit of a nation, and gave them reason to hold their head up high and feel like they could stand shoulder to shoulder with just about anybody in the world. And that, I think, is a beautiful thing. That's the essence of the story, and that's what Kabir Khan has been able to achieve in the film. When we are in the theatres watching screenings, when the time comes around, that euphoria in the hall is so palpable.
Absolutely.
He has managed to tell a story in a way that euphoria is recreated in cinema halls, what people must have felt.
Ranveer, sports glories and their representation in cinema is always very tricky. If you don't get the emotion right, you will not be able to grip the imagination of the audience. There are quite a lot of movies in India. They've been able to capture this. For instance, Chak De India, Pan Singh Tomar, which was a story of an underdog, or story of sport athletes facing trouble in real life but finally coming out or emerging big. Do you feel that this movie is going to be part of those legends, or perhaps even more?
These are all wonderful, fabulous films that I've grown up watching and loved, whether it's Lagan or Chak De India.
I forgot Lagan.
Yeah, and I feel like 83 is very unique. It was because I would say it's not a significant chapter in our just our sporting history, but in our history. The fact that there was an event that could change the sport, change the culture, affect the minds and hearts of a collective people in such a big way. I think it's got its place in history that is unique to itself.
True.
And that's why I keep telling Kabir sir and all my teammates that we have the blessings of the actual
team,
the actual good karma of what these fine men went and did in 83. So ये picture अपने आप बन गई. It's kind of made itself, and we are just lucky to be the ones chosen to tell it.